Dear viewers, my dear students, I wish all of you from my core of heart, you are well. Anyway, whenever our classes were held, we have completed articles, prepositions, table and parts of speech. But the item right form of verbs was not introduced with you or was not discussed because of starting the COVID-19. Now today we will introduce with the verbs and then we will discuss with the right form of verbs this item. Anyway, today we show you the auxiliary verbs, verb to be, verb to have, verb to do and modal auxiliary verbs. How to use it and how to show your performance on this item. At first, the be verb. Be verb, you know, 5 kinds: am, is, are, was, were. But in the question paper, the questionnaire will ask you with the hint of be. If you see in the bracket be, you must write with the am, is, are or was, were. At first, you have to be sensed with the tense. If it indicates the present tense, you must use be verb, am, is, are. And if the paragraph or the para or the context wants you the past tenses verb, you must use was or were. At times, you see be in the past in the bracket. Whenever you see be in the past in the bracket and with the negative form be in the negative, then you will use the am, is, are plus no or not and was, were, no or not. No plus noun, not plus adjective. Okay. And whenever the subject possesses something, you use have or has, and in the past form you use had. And interrogative and the negative sentences, you need all the auxiliary verbs. To do anything, we use do, does or did. In the present tense, we use do or does. Whenever subject is third person singular number, we use does. At first, we should know which subjects are third person singular numbers. He, she, it, this. He, she, it, this and singular noun. Ram, Sham, Jodu, Dhaka, Borishal, sincerity, appearance, etc. are the singular noun. Singular noun is singular subject needs singular verb. Whenever subject is singular, verb needs s or es in the present tense. So, whenever we use verb to do, we must use does in the case of he, she, it, this or singular noun when they are subject. In this case, we can use Kazi Nazrul. Our we see here use of be verb. Here be, it's a present indefinite tense. How can we assume it? We can assume it. It is true. It is true for not only present but also past and future. So it must indicate the present indefinite tense. So B, am is are, third person singular number, you use here the is. But whenever is past position is declared or is asserted, we must use past form. That means Kazi Nazrul Islam dash be the member of a Lotto party. Here indicates his situation, his position of a Lotto party. The Lotto party was activated in the past, and for this reason we use here only was. The separation, here we use is and here we use only was. That means the answer is to be here the second answer was. This indicates was. The first one was about is and the second was. This in this session we see the use of be verb. Be verb. When the sentence indicates present, we use am is are, and when the sentence indicates the past, we must use was or were. As the Kazi Nazrul Islam a singular form of a subject, that means this subject needs a singular verb was. And whenever we use verb to do,